I wanted to make a quick video here about the Stage 1 startup strategy that we developed. With Stage M, of course, we've fixed starting of the motorcycle at any temperature and try to quell the stalling of it. But as most users would notice, that the M1000 has a different startup strategy, and it kind of varies in RPM. So it may go from 50 to 100 RPM variances, like it'll go high, then it'll go low, high, low. So it sounds kind of odd while it's idling. And this is stock, not just modified in any way whatsoever. So I wanted to show you guys what we developed here with Stage 1. And you can hear that sounds nice and even. Sounds like a good idle right there. No stalling, no issues. That was the first time this bike has been started today. Now, does this feature add any power or rideability to the motorcycle itself? No, it doesn't. But it's something that we were riding the bike, we noticed, and we wanted to fix. And we just wanted to show you guys that every little feature on this motorcycle is something we want to fix and make better. It isn't just we're here for outright power. We're not here for a peak number on the dyno. This is all around usability of the bike. We want this bike to be as perfect as it possibly can be. So we'll be doing some test riding this weekend. Gonna put probably about 140 miles on this bike just to test out some new features of Stage 1, and we'll get back to you guys.